Uh-oh. Listen. Y'all don't want it. Walker. Walker. Yeah. Uh-oh. About to get some cooch. 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 We about to get some cooch. About to get some cooch. About to get some cooch. Nigga, what the fuck? You're busting on the room while I'm about to bust a nut. Fuck your mom in the butt. I won't do it in the butt. Take her to Pizza Hut. Get about 2 pizzas. Pepperoni and cheese. Damn, nigga, your phone ringing. Got a notification. Better yet, I don't know what to say. You nigga gay? That nigga gay. I brought the shawty over. She gonna fuck some hay. She gonna fuck some hay. Better yet, better fuck her face. Better fuck her face. But she got braces. She gonna rip my shit up. I'ma go to the doctor and I'ma take that shit up. Put some tape on it. With some aluminum foil. Get some plastic wrap. Now I can't dust a nut. She ain't gonna get pregnant. That shit might hurt. Cause I got a long dick and that bitch could squirt. Better yet, I like it when it's pierced. Better yet, I fuck her in her ear. She can't hear what's going on, but she know I bust a nut. Cause my dick told her a secret. About to bust a nut. Whoop that bitch. What?
Earwax on your dick. Finger fuck this hoe. Now she finna split. Gotta spin out. No, can't fuck this nasty hoe. Cal said he fucked her in the booty hole. Now I'm about to diss his ass.
Better yet. Nah, cause that's my guy. We gonna flame at your ass. We might be over there. We might be over here.
Over here.
Might be in the dome.
Dome?
Might be in the ward.
What?
78.
78.
We on the 5.
On 5.
Not that 5.
That 5.
Not that 6.
That 6.
I like eating tricks. Better yet, some kicks. I used to get them kicks when my mom got wick. Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit!